Hi everyone, welcome to another video on how AGI can make you a billionaire overnight. Have you ever wondered how artificial general intelligence, or AGI, could redefine the concept of wealth overnight? Picture this. AGI is not simply a computer program or an algorithm. It is a system capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across a broad array of tasks as effortlessly as a human would. Now let's ponder on this. The potential of AGI in wealth creation. It's speculative at best, yet the possibilities are mind-boggling. AGI could trigger a wealth revolution, creating fortunes at a pace previously unimaginable. It could automate industries, innovate products, and optimize services, generating immense value and, in turn, wealth. However, it's crucial to remember that this wealth creation isn't guaranteed. It's a potential scenario based on AGI's capabilities and our understanding of its growth trajectory. The landscape is uncertain, but the possibilities are limitless. Imagine waking up to find that AGI has created a new class of millionaires and billionaires. The power of AGI lies in its ability to learn, understand, and apply knowledge across a wide array of tasks. Imagine a mind that never tires, that continuously learns, absorbs, and adapts. A mind that can solve complex problems, make decisions, and innovate with ease. This is the kind of mind that AGI, or artificial general intelligence, is designed to replicate. But it's not just any mind, it's a superhuman one, capable of outperforming humans at virtually every economically valuable job. Now let's highlight some of AGI's capabilities. It can analyze massive amounts of data in a blink. It can spot patterns and trends that the human mind might miss. It can make predictions, decisions, and even come up with innovative solutions to problems that have stumped the brightest human minds. Imagine an AGI system managing a global business, constantly analyzing market trends, making real-time decisions, and innovating new products or services. It could potentially run the business more efficiently and profitably than any human ever could. But it's not all about replacing human jobs. AGI could also create new opportunities. It could lead to the development of industries that we can't even fathom right now. It could create jobs that we can't even imagine. And with these new industries and jobs comes the potential for wealth creation. So let's talk about disrupting industries. We've seen how technology has disrupted industries in the past. The internet, for example, spawned entire new industries like e-commerce and digital marketing, creating millionaires and billionaires along the way. Now imagine the disruption AGI could bring. It's like the internet revolution on steroids. AGI has the potential to shake up traditional industries and create new ones. It could turn the business world on its head, creating opportunities for those who are prepared and willing to seize them. And with these opportunities comes the potential for enormous wealth creation. With such capabilities, AGI could very well be the key to unlocking unimaginable wealth. Now let's delve into the numbers that underscore this potential AGI revolution. Artificial general intelligence, or AGI, is not just a buzzword. It's a rapidly approaching reality with the potential to completely reshape our world. And when we say reshape, we're talking about a seismic shift in wealth, the likes of which we've never seen. To grasp the magnitude of this change, let's start with the market value. Current estimates place the potential market value of AGI at an astounding $100 trillion. That's right, 100 trillion. To put it in perspective, that's nearly 5 times the size of the entire US economy in 2023. But it's not just the market size that's impressive. The growth rate is equally staggering. Predictions suggest that the AGI market could grow at an annual rate of 30%. This means that in just 10 years, the market could be worth upwards of $300 trillion. That's about 15 times the size of the current global economy. Now let's talk wealth creation. AGI isn't just about machines and algorithms, it's about people. And more specifically, it's about creating wealth for people. The potential for wealth creation is immense. Some experts suggest that the advent of AGI could create millions of new millionaires, and yes, even billionaires. This wealth won't just be concentrated in the hands of a few tech moguls, it will be spread widely, creating opportunities for entrepreneurs, investors, and everyday people. But let's not forget about the economic impact. With AGI, we could see a dramatic increase in productivity, leading to unprecedented economic growth. This growth could, in turn, lead to higher standards of living, better healthcare, and improvements in education. These numbers reveal the staggering potential of AGI in transforming our economic landscape. The AGI revolution isn't just about technology, it's about wealth, prosperity, and a better future for all of us. The numbers tell a clear story. AGI is a game changer, and it's just around the corner. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does AGI translate into wealth creation? Well, let's delve into some real-life examples where individuals and companies have leveraged artificial general intelligence to their advantage. First, let's consider the tale of a startup named Think AGI. They developed an AGI model to predict stock market trends. By utilizing their AGI system, they were able to make accurate predictions, resulting in significant profit margins. Their success attracted massive investments, turning the founders into overnight millionaires. Then we have the story of AGI, a healthcare technology company. They integrated AGI into their diagnostic tools to accurately identify a vast range of medical conditions based on symptoms and patient history. This revolutionary approach drastically improved diagnostic accuracy and efficiency, leading to a surge in the company's value. The founders, once unknown in the tech world, are now billionaires thanks to the unparalleled potential of AGI. Finally, let's look at the case of AGI-Tech, a company that developed an AGI-based system to optimize logistics and supply chain management for large corporations. Their system reduced costs and increased efficiency, making AGI-Tech a highly sought-after solution provider. The profits and investments that followed transformed the company's founders into wealthy individuals. These are not isolated incidents. Numerous other companies, both big and small, are employing AGI strategies to revolutionize their operations and generate wealth. They're creating smarter, more efficient solutions to complex problems, and in doing so, they're reaping financial rewards that were previously unimaginable. These stories provide a glimpse into the wealth creation potential of AGI. The marriage of AGI and entrepreneurial spirit has proven to be a powerful combination, capable of generating wealth at an unprecedented scale. These case studies remind us that AGI is not just a technological innovation, but a catalyst for wealth creation, capable of turning ordinary individuals into millionaires and billionaires overnight. As we look to the future, the role of AGI in wealth creation becomes even more intriguing. Imagine a world where AGI, or artificial general intelligence, is the main driving force behind economic growth. This isn't just a flight of fancy, but a potential reality that we are steadily moving towards. AGI, with its ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, is poised to revolutionize industries and create unprecedented wealth. Consider the birth of entirely new industries, powered by AGI. These could range from advanced data analysis to automated creative endeavors and even AGI-led research and development. The possibilities are nearly limitless, and with each new industry comes the potential for incredible wealth creation. We're not just talking about a handful of millionaires and billionaires here, but potentially thousands or even tens of thousands of new wealth generators. But it's not just about the creation of new industries. AGI has the power to disrupt and even completely transform existing ones. Industries that have been around for centuries could be reshaped in ways we can't even begin to imagine. This disruption, while potentially unsettling, also carries with it enormous potential for wealth creation. As traditional industries are reinvented, new opportunities for profit and growth will emerge. And let's not forget the wealth that could be generated from the AGI technology itself. As AGI systems become more advanced and widespread, the companies and individuals who own, develop, and sell these technologies stand to gain enormously. We could see a new generation of tech billionaires, their fortunes built not on software or hardware, but on AGI. However, this future isn't without its challenges. As wealth becomes increasingly tied to AGI, we'll need to grapple with questions of inequality, access, and control. But these are issues for another discussion. For now, let's marvel at the potential of AGI to create wealth on a scale we've never seen before. Indeed, the future of wealth may very well be driven by AGI. So where does this leave us? We've explored the extraordinary capabilities of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, and its potential to transform our economy on a scale that's difficult to comprehend. We've seen how AGI, with its ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, is not just a game changer, but a world changer. Through examples, we've witnessed the impact AGI can make in real-world scenarios, showcasing its incredible potential. From automating complex tasks to making breakthrough discoveries, AGI is poised to revolutionize industries and create unprecedented wealth. We've also envisioned future scenarios where AGI could lead to a massive redistribution of wealth and the creation of new economic classes. The potential for wealth creation is staggering, and it's not just about the here and now. The long-term implications are equally, if not more, profound. As we stand on the brink of a potential AGI revolution, one thing is clear: AGI could very well create millionaires and billionaires overnight. Kindly subscribe and be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Before we conclude, let's talk about you. Yes, you, the individual watching this video. You might be wondering, what can I do to be part of this AGI revolution? The answer is educate yourself, understand AGI, grasp its potential, embrace its possibilities. Invest in learning about AGI, its applications, and the industries it can transform. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a professional, or just a curious mind, your understanding of AGI could be the key to unlocking your wealth creation potential. Could you be the next millionaire or even billionaire because of AGI? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure: AGI is the future, and the future is here. So, are you ready to embrace it? Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AGI and its potential for wealth creation. We hope you found this video insightful and thought-provoking. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights on AGI and wealth creation. Stay tuned, stay curious, and stay ahead. The future is exciting, isn't it? Before we wrap up, we have one last request. If you're as excited about the potential of AGI as we are, then we urge you to take action. See that red button below? That's your gateway to more insights, more knowledge, and more understanding about the world of AGI and its wealth creation potential. Yes, that's right, the subscribe button. By subscribing to our channel, you'll join a community of forward thinkers, innovators, and curious minds who are ready to embrace the future. You'll be the first to know about our latest videos and insights, helping you stay ahead in a rapidly evolving world. So, are you ready to take that step? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's embark on this journey together. The future of AGI is exciting, and we can't wait to explore it with you. Remember, the future is not something we enter. The future is something we create. And together, we can create a future that's truly extraordinary. Thank you once again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.